I'm Patty, and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. And every year at the farmer's market here in our little town of Walterboro, they give away recipes and stuff. And one of the recipes I got was one for sweet potato biscuits. So that's what we're going to be making tonight, is sweet potato biscuits. I'd like to welcome you to my channel. I do a lot of Southern cooking especially, and I like to think that my instructions are pretty clear for all types of cooks, all levels of cooking. So if you're new, take a look around, see what I've got going. Hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Alright, the ingredients that you're going to need for this, you only need 3/4 of a cup of mashed sweet potatoes. So I've got some sweet potatoes here. And you're going to need a little bit of sugar. I am using self-rising flour, but I'm also going to be adding a couple of teaspoons of baking powder too, because I want to puff up. You're going to need about 2 to 4 teaspoons of milk. All I've got is half and half, but that's okay. And you're going to need some butter, and I am going to add a little bit of salt. Alright, at this time, we're going to get off here so Tony can peel these sweet potatoes, and I'm going to boil. What you're going to do is boil those up, and like I said, you only need 3/4 a cup of the mashed sweet potatoes. We'll be back with the next process. Okay, I did forget to tell you need about 3 tablespoons of sugar, but okay, my sweet potatoes are done. This is my half a stick of butter. I also added salt to the cooking water. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to mash these up. This is usually Tony's job. He does all the potato mashing and potato peeling. Now at this time, I am going to let it cool for a minute. Just a little bit. I don't want it this hot going in. And we'll bring you back for the next part. Alright guys, let's get things started here. First off, I've got some parchment paper. And I've sprayed it with cooking spray. Preheat your oven to 425. You're going to need approximately 1.5 cups of flour. As I said, I am using self-rising. But I'm going to add a little bit of baking powder for a little boost. You need about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And as I said, I'm going to add a couple of teaspoons of baking powder for a little boost. Now, the milk you use is according to how moist your sweet potatoes are, how much moisture is in your potatoes. Ouch. Oh, hold on, I'm gonna mess up. I keep my little silicone board in a little baggie. Now I'm going to add my sweet potatoes. And this does have the sweet potatoes with the butter already in it. Oops. Just up around. Up around. Is that even a proper grammar? Up around. Mix it up around. And your butters and your sweet potatoes. I've never made these before. I've actually never had them either. But I love sweet potatoes and I love biscuits. Yeah, that's getting there. Whew. I used approximately about 2 tablespoons of half and half. I bet you could probably put buttermilk on that too. But knead it around till it looks smooth. And you want to roll it out to about ½ inch thick. And make a mess, of course. That might be a little bit too flat. And your biscuit cutter. I had this biscuit cutter specially made. And it's perfect. Remember, whenever you're doing your biscuits, just do it straight down. You don't need to turn it or nothing. Which is easier said than done, because all my life, see, I just did it. I think these are going to be good. They might be a little bit flatter, because I don't think that's ½ inch. Oh well. But I did add the extra baking powder. Oh well, I'm sorry for laughing. I forgot something. I think I've got enough. I want to do the tops of these with some butter. That one's going to be ginormous. I bet these will be good in the morning for breakfast. You know what I bet they'd be really good with? Some ham. Especially some country ham. Alright, you want to pop these in the oven for about 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, we'll bring you back. Okay guys, the sweet potato biscuits are done. I cut one up, put some butter on it. We're going to have other things, but I wanted to get these were the first things done. I want to thank you for joining me. If you like what I did, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. Give me a comment. Let me know what's going on in your life. And share this out on your social media. Help my channel grow. Y'all have a great one. Biscuits are ready. Talk to y'all later. Bye.